We will, in fact, we are getting a breaking news as far as the Las Vegas incident that you just mentioned, because we are now getting information that authorities have informed that fireworks, gas tanks and camping fuel was used in Tesla Cybertruck explosion outside Las Vegas Trump Hotel on Wednesday morning. The incident is being investigated as a possible terrorist attack, according to a law enforcement official who has been briefed on the investigation. Now, there is one deceased individual inside the Cybertruck, and we don't know whether it is a male or a female at this time. Now, 7 other victims sustained minor injuries as a result of this explosion. Video shared on social media appears to show that the car engulfed in smoke as it is being hosed down. Let me now go back to my colleague Akansha. Akansha, like you were giving details about the entire incident that took place in Las Vegas, but my question is that A, it was rammed into Trump Hotel. Second, the vehicle used here is Tesla Cybertruck. Is this a political message being sent out to both Donald Trump as well as Elon Musk?
It's important to also refer to what Elon Musk has had to say. He's gone on to, in fact, say this on X, that it appears likely to be an act of terrorism. Both the Cybertruck and the F-150 suicide bomb in New Orleans were rented from Turo. Perhaps they are linked in some way. We already know the kind of stance that Donald Trump is adopting. It's, in fact, as we speak, it's in this very month that Donald Trump will be inaugurated as the next president of the United States. And we are just days away from his inauguration ceremony. And as far as his own political ideologies, his inclinations, his beliefs are concerned, we all know he's extremely anti-immigration. He's also cracking down on the wars, especially in the Middle East. We'll have to see if this person involved in the truck explosion in Las Vegas had any connect with the Middle East or West Asia. But we do know that Shamsuddin, the army veteran who led to the killing of 15 people in New Orleans, served in Afghanistan around the years 2006 and 2007. He was carrying an ISIS flag, but one cannot rule out the entire connect between Donald Trump and the Trump Hotel, basically in Las Vegas, and of course the Tesla truck being used over there. We all know that Elon Musk is also part of the team. He's heading the Department of Government Efficiency along with Vivek Ramaswamy, and immigration has been a hot topic of discussion, and Donald Trump's own sort of beliefs in terms of curbing illegal immigration, especially because as we speak, Twitter has already gone ablaze. Elon Musk has taken to X, and he's also condemning how 94 executive orders were released during the Biden administration, which are leading to illegal immigration. He's also talking about how fencing is being consistently removed. And he's shared videos which are displaying illegal immigration that is taking place on a daily basis. And all of the right sort of spectrum in the US politics right now is training their guns at the Biden administration and at the Democrats. They're holding them responsible for everything that's happening on the streets of the United States.
All right. Thank you, Akansha, for getting us all those details of the two tragic incidents that has taken place in